With the release of iPhone 16, Apple made iOS 18 available. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to install iOS 18 on your iPhone. So follow me, let me put you through on how you can upgrade to that OS with beautiful customization features and AI upgraded. Let's go right into it. The first step is to locate the settings of your iPhone and tap on it. As the settings page opens, scroll down and click on General. This takes you to this new page. Alright, tap on Software Update. Wait for this software update page to load. Now that it has loaded, you will see the new version of iOS 17. Here you see iOS 17.7. But that is not what you're interested in. So scroll down. And now you can see upgrade to iOS 18. Tap on that option. You are taken to this page. But please note, before you start this installation, ensure that your phone is connected to the internet. That's number one. Number two, please back up some important files of yours. Though iPhone is secured, but nobody knows what may happen along the line. So back up your files, you can save them on cloud before you start this process. So on this new page, you can see iOS 18, Apple Inc, and you can see the storage capacity, the amount of data is going to take. So it's going to take about 3.48 gigabytes of your storage space on the iPhones. So ensure that you have that space. The next step you need to take is to tap on Update Now. On this new page, you are required to enter the passcode of your iPhone. Tap on the Agree button at the bottom right. You can see these terms and conditions pop up on your screen again. So tap on Agree and proceed. You can see the process has begun. This may take up to 2 hours to complete or an hour plus. So you need to be patient. Okay, now that we have updated our iPhone to iOS 18, let's take a look at few things that change and few things we can do. Okay, accessing control. By the time you swipe down from the top right, you will see controls. You can see these controls look quite different from the one in iOS 17. Okay, you can see the first set having flight mode, podcasts, airdrop, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, small, tiny, and connectivity. So it's a beautiful feature. I love that. Then the lightning, the screen brightness is there, the audio, sound increase, voice increase, and reduction is there, calculator and the rest. So that's one beautiful thing about this, noticeable thing about this new change. Then let's talk about how you can customize the home screen. We are on the home screen right now. So if you want to shift app from one place, one part of the screen to another, all you need to do is long press on an empty space on the home screen. You can see the apps have started shaking. All right. So you can place your finger, long press on one of the apps you want to change its position, and then drag to a new position just like as I'm doing. So I have taken the settings app to a new position. Then you tap on done. Okay, you can do further customization by first long pressing on an empty space, then select edit. Okay, you can see customize, so you can tap on there and then select a kind of color you want to be applied on the home screen of the app. For example, if I want to apply tinted, you can see how it has changed, or automatic, you can see it, or dark, you can see it has changed the apps to look darker, kind of. But let's return back to light, or do we leave it this way? Okay, let's leave it this way and we tap out. And now we have a new good look. So these are the few customizations. Then let's talk about how to access applications on the iOS 18 For you to access apps, just tap on settings. Once the settings page opens, scroll down. It's no longer that time you have all the apps displayed here. Alright, just like in iOS 17, but here you can see an option named apps here. Alright, so tap on that apps. This displays all the applications you have on the iPhone running iOS 18 operating system. For mobile iPhones, it's that simple. So let's keep it here for now until next classes. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here, we discuss technology which cuts across so many areas. So, if you want to learn, do subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something more? Let me hear what you have to say in the comment section. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this content is helpful and recommend it to more people. It will still help me to grow this channel. So please hit it. To learn more on how to use iPhone to complete some task, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.